troubleshoot. We had a customer contact customer support saying, hey, I can't see a courier option for me. This is all managed in customers. You can look it up by customer to begin with, because I just want to make sure to see where the customer's just seen something online. So go into customers, find the customer using search, select the customer. Now on the customer line, you'll be able to actually go into orders, and you'll be able to see the customer's order that they've placed. So I can see that they've actually placed a click collect, which is not what they want, because they want it into the market. So you go truck, and then you go down and look, and you go, right, there's no truck option here like they're used to saying. So there is no option, and they've not got the right option. So now we need to go into the LMS, logistics management, and we need to go find out why. Normally it's because a postcode and suburb pairing won't be linked to the truck. So to do that, you go into check runs, click on check runs, and over here you want to filter by postcode. 2400 is the postcode that we're looking for today, Moree, which is in New South Wales. Now here's the Moree couriers linked in this LMS, and there's no truck or market truck here. So we know that there's no linkage done. So we need to link it. Now that's happened because I've actually updated a courier, because one of our trucks stopped doing that service. We had to choose another truck. So I'm going to now go and find the courier, which is Quick Drop. Again, it's just the courier name that you're choosing. So I'm just giving you a live example on one of our customer LMSs here in CloudHub. I'm going to go to Quick Drop Thursday Brisbane Market. I'm going to go into runs, and I'm going to add a run here. So I'm just going to make sure. Now I know it's not here because I've already checked it, but I'm OCD, so I just like to make sure that, it's definitely not here. I didn't miss something. Okay, it's not there. Okay, let's go into add. Now here you want to go put in your postcode. Over here you want to go Moree. Now you've got the drop down if you need to look it up, but I know that's right. QLD box quantity 1. Now half box, it goes into what box size is the minimum half box for this courier. So we'll go FH10 as a half box size that we've got loaded in for this courier and for the company. So you set up your boxes in warehouse, like what type of boxes you pack out on, and then you attach the box to the courier. So now the value I'm not too sure of, because there must be a delivery charge for this run. So I think from memory it's $10, but again, you can look at this once it's set up, so don't stress too much. Hub box is the other big box. We'll put $10, same if it's delivery, and save. Now, do you want to add all the suburbs in this postcode for this run? Now, what I would suggest is you go yes, and now if you go in and go postcode, select 2400, it will come up all the 2400 postcodes. Nice and simple. Then it's $10. Now, if you want to check if your pricing is right, one, you need to know what the pricing is. But if you don't know, you could use Newton's logic and go, hang on, everything else is $10, so you pick the right price. Now that this is live in here, you can go back to customers. We're going to find the customer, click on it, and we go, right. Now we should be able to see over in the information button, we should be able to see this option for Quick Drop Thursday. It's shown up, fantastic, everything works the way it's supposed to. And now we can go into their orders and the order line, and we can go and move the courier. So here is their order line for today. This is the right date. You can click on there if you want to see the order. So we're going to go to that. Quick Drop's shown up. Select. And now that is updated. Would you like to change the pack out day? Now, delivery on Thursday, so the pack out day should also be for today. So we're going to go no. We'll say no to the pack out day. And then that's it. That customer's now been moved. Now, if there's any charging to do, then you'll have to just look at the charging video on how to update courier charges. Okay, I'd just like to clarify the comment that I just made. So if this order that we've just moved is unpacked, the system auto credits and auto charges to the new courier, no problem. If the order has been packed, there's a manual step to do. The manual step you've got to do is you have to, so the system will only credit and charge the minimum fee. So what you've got to do is you've got to credit the boxes, extra boxes, if there was more than one box, the extra boxes charged for this courier, and then you've got to charge the extra boxes to the new courier. So you've got to do the minus and then the plus. So credit the existing that we've just changed from, and charge the extra that we're changing to. So that is just the one step to remember. If you're moving an order that has already been packed.